Okay.
Yeah, please go ahead. The recording is started.
So hi Anakha, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Anakha, I got your profile for the position of SSAM, sorry, SAPCRM, okay. So Anakha, can you help me with a quick brief about your profile, like how much total experience you have, how much relevant and what skills you have worked on?
Yeah, I am having totally 6 years of experience in SAP. See, SAP, 2 years in SAP ABAP, and four plus years in SAP CRM. I have worked in technical aspects like coding, building of the reports, smart forms, Adobe forms. Then in the SAP ABAP side and in the SAP CRM side, I have experience in the ball programming, web UI development. Then reports also I am using the OneOrder framework. Then
Okay,
I also have experience in the SAP CRM to SAP ISU module, like the replication of the order. And currently I am working as a techno-functional, like in the functional side I am BDocs, IDocs analysis, then job jobs analysis, whether if it's cancelled, then doing the code change like that.
okay. So Anakha, like you told, you have 2 years of experience on SAP ABAP and 4 years into SAP CRM. Okay.
Yeah.
So, as you told that you consider your profile as a techno-functional background, so what is the ratio of the techno and functional, as in how much experience you have on to technical side and how much you have on functional side? Can you help me explain?
Uh, from 2017 till 2021, I was working as a technical. Then from 21, I had from 22 on 2022 till date, I am working. I have joined another project where I am
Okay,
working as a techno functional.
okay. So
So
earlier,
the three, yeah, this 2 years in functional, 4 years in technical.
okay. So earlier it was only technical, then
Yeah,
2 years you were into functional, and then
yeah,
now, since the last 1 year, you're working as a techno-functional. Is that correct?
functional. Yeah.
Okay, okay, understood. So, my next question to you, Anaka, is like, you got any experience on S4 HANA?
Yeah, currently also our database is not, they're planning to migrate. It's not still S4 HANA, but I know the specific T codes on S4 HANA, like for a SAP to Kafka integration,
Hmm.
we have to do our analysis on the SAP OData. So
Uh,
such things, I had done some hands-on on SAP S4 HANA.
so, can I consider that you have experience on S4 HANA?
Means it is a
So, yeah,
project, and project I don't have. Externally, I have took it.
so means you have basic knowledge on S4 HANA in that
Yeah,
case,
yeah,
correct? Okay,
yeah.
okay, you have basic knowledge on S4 HANA. Okay, and okay. So, Anaka, before we proceed with the next discussion, so I'd like to like to let you know that this position I have is for SAP CRM, where the client is looking for someone who has good experience on technical and functional, like
Okay.
techno-functional background, and not specific to any one single domain. Okay. And so my next question to you, Anaka, is while you have your experience into SAP CRM, so was it morphed into service in S4?
I have worked on sales module. Now it is service module. Previously, it was sales module, sales
Okay.
order.
Uh-huh.
Now it is a service.
So since how long have you been working in the service part? Can you help me explain any of your projects where you worked on this part?
In the right now, like I am working on the service order, like in the PPOME, we can see the service orders. From right, the action profiles. So from the action profiles, I am debugging it and then finding out the issue with the service orders. The service order can be complaints, it can be request. Uh, so there are these different types of service requests can be seen in the one T code PPOME. So from the
Mm-hmm.
PPOME is the base, from there I can debug and find out the base code of that. Then we can understand the start condition, schedule condition, and based upon that I can replicate the issue. So from there I can find out what the issues regarding the complaint or uh, warning in the web UI.
Okay, okay. So since how long have you been working into the service part, Anaka?
It is 2 years.
2 years. Okay, that's a quite good experience, Anaka. Okay. And the reason I was checking with on these skills is your profile is really strong, Anaka. That is what I can feel, and I don't want your profile to get rejected in the screening round, and we want you to go through the technical discussion, Anaka. And that was the reason I want you to help me with understanding your profile very effectively. Okay. So I can see you mentioned your 7 years is your total overall experience, right? So is
Yeah,
it exact
one year
7 years
I was
or
on leave.
sorry?
1 year I was on leave. So relevant is 6 years only.
Okay, was there a gap? So that gap was for what reason? Can you help me understand?
Was for maternity leave.
Oh, okay, okay. And when you resumed back from the leave?
2022. That's why after 2022 I joined. I didn't join the pure technical project
Uh-huh.
because since I was joining immediately after maternity, so that's why I created a techno functional role here.
Okay, okay, okay. So Anaka, which company are you currently working with?
TCS.
Sorry, TCS.
Yes.
Okay, and what is the location where you currently staying?
I was at Chennai, Ahmedabad, and now after since now I'm at hometown Kochi.
So you're currently in Kochi, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So Anaka, can you help me confirm your personal email ID, please?
It is anaga789 at gmail.com.
Okay, okay. Uh, okay, Anaka, I think that's all I have to know. Yeah, I think that's all. Let me check with the client regarding a profile, okay?
Yeah, okay.
And I'll get back to you at the earliest. So Anaka, talking about your notice, so is it like how soon can you join the position?
My notice period is 60 to 90 days.
Okay, okay. And actually, we're looking for someone who has, who can join like immediate joiner is what we were preferring. So, is it possible for you to negotiate on the notice?
Immediate joining, it's not possible. Like 60 days
Uh-huh.
up to,
So, is it 60 days you can reduce the notice period to?
yeah, up to, means that also using the buyback only, I can reduce up to 60 days only.
Oh, post buyback also it is not possible to go below 60 days. Is it?
I will I will check once again on this.
Uh-huh. Okay. Okay, Anaka. Okay. Okay, fair enough. I think that's all I wanted to check with you. Okay, fair enough. I think Shekhar, we are good to go.
Yes, yes. Thank you, Anaka, and thank you, Pratik.
Yeah, thank you so much, Shekhar.
Yeah,
Thank you, Anaka.
have a good day.
Have a good day.
Thank you.